Hello friends, welcome to dptutorials.
Please subscribe to dptutorials and click on the bell icon for notifications.
In this tutorial, let us learn how to check if a cell is matching with any of the cells. In this example, let me consider that I have some set of values in the left hand side like this, and then I want to check if certain persons' names are present in the list or not. You can use the nested if formula if conditions are 1 or 2, but if the conditions are many, it's not practically possible, right? So let's see how to do this now. In cell C5, I type the formula like this: equals to sum product, open the bracket, give the double negatives, open the bracket, A5 equals to, and now select the range as E5 to E9. This is our specific range that I would like to look upon. So you can log the range as well. Close the bracket and again close the bracket. Give the condition as greater than 0. And when you press enter, you get the result as true, which is correct, as the name Anusha is present in our criteria list. Now drag this formula till the end and you will observe that it shows as true wherever it is matching with the given criteria list. Got it, friends? It's very simple, right? If you want to understand how this is working, you need to watch our previous video on double negative. So friends, this is how to check if a cell is matching with any range of cells. I hope you enjoyed this trick. If yes, please give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe to dptutorials. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.